Hi y'all, this is Michelle with the Southern Shell, and I'm here to show you a few of the Christmas gifts that I've made this year. Every year I make one with my grandson to give to his mommy and daddy, and this one is the little red truck, and we have his footprints up there as trees. I used my Cricut to spell out Merry Christmas and his name and the year because he is, just 2.5, not even. So, we did this as best we could together. And I'm going to show you some more of the lovely gifts that I've made this year. This is an 18 by 16, I believe. Okay, guys. All right, guys, this is one of the gifts that I made for my girls this year. These are 6 by 18 inches. Of course, I painted part of the top black, the rest white. I used some extra large popsicle sticks there and some Dollar Tree wooden snowflakes. And I'm sorry I'm shaking. This is me holding it. So this is one of the projects that I made, and I'm going to show you some more. Alright guys, this is one that I had made my husband, and this is an 18-inch circle, and of course always kiss me goodnight. And I tried to make it look like the moon on the background with the dark sky and maybe some snowflakes. So I'm going to show you some more, so hang with me. Alright guys, it's the day after Christmas, and now I can get some of this filmed a little bit better for you so I can actually post it. That way they didn't see what they got. This is Adam's 18-inch round office sign. And this one is Travis's 18-inch round office sign. And of course my husband's 18-inch round kiss me goodnight sign.